Since the very beginning of the pandemic, we've known that our elderly would be some of the most vulnerable to coronavirus. So even as we reopen, the state is trying to find new ways to continue to keep them safe. NBC4's Adrienne Robbins shares what that plan looks like tonight.
The state said today they want to do two things at once. They want to keep people safe, but at the same time keep them connected. Outbreaks of the coronavirus in nursing homes have been a problem across the country, including here in Ohio. The White House is now recommending all nursing home residents in the state be tested over the next 2 weeks. Governor Mike DeWine said this week that would be unlikely, but they do plan to expand testing and are warning the public not to be judgmental when we see the results.
This particular nursing home that I was talking to was a 5-star rated home, very highly regarded. And they had taken the initiative. They had the outbreak of this in their home. All of the residents were tested, and so obviously their numbers were higher.
As the state works to keep the coronavirus out, they are also worried about isolating elderly residents. The Department of Aging said they are working on new ways to keep residents connected to family as visitation remains restricted.
And we have worked with many within the Aging Network to see if there are virtual capabilities. You know, not to suggest that a virtual option takes the place of a hug, right? A kiss. It doesn't. But at least it provides, right? We believe it provides some level of connection.
It's not just about residents of long-term care facilities, but also elderly Ohioans in the community who can feel isolated. Today, Ohio announced the Staying Connected program. Ohioans over 60 who are in a facility or living at home will be able to sign up for a service that calls them once a day and allows them to confirm that they are okay.
If you decide, I really need something, you can select an option, select that option, and we'll connect you with someone who can help you with the service. Maybe you need a meal. Maybe you need some information.
And if someone would not answer that call after 3 attempts, they will call an emergency contact or non-emergency line. Local for you at the State House, I'm Adrienne Robbins, NBC4.